Clarify healing family issues, please. Healing. Honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Clarify, pay attention to the red flags. Trust. Oh, yeah. Yep, I'm on it. Okay, so look. Cancer. Like I said, if you're a Cancer and you're watching this, this is the person that did you wrong. The person that messed up. Cross-watcher. If you've been dealing with a Cancer and they messed up, this is what's going on with them. This is how they're feeling about you. But basically, overall, the message that I'm seeing here right now is Spirit is saying that patience is still needed with this person because they're trying to heal from family issues. So it could be that there could have been like childhood trauma issues, you know, that created some type of codependency with your person and a family member, or just, it's just toxic codependent behaviors, you know, and they're needing to heal from that in order for them to become a better man or become a better woman. For some of you guys, this could even be, you know, an actual family that this person has, like, or they're just with someone that they have kids with. They're trying to take care of that situation first. And I do feel like no matter what's going on, whichever scenario is for you, this person is not happy with the person that they're with. Whether it's, you know, they're stuck because they're dealing with a parent, a sibling, friends, love interest, it doesn't matter. They're just not happy because this person is manifesting you to come back in. And that's why the honeymoon card came out because I feel like this person they're making plans to come towards you. And they're making plans for the two of you, but you may not know because they're not saying anything, or it's like, because they're not making any, like, progress to come towards you, you're probably looking like, man, they don't care about me, you know, but that's far from the truth. This person is taking a cautious approach to come towards you because they know that they broke your trust. And that's why you're not hearing anything, but they're planning something. But first, they're trying to heal from some type of family situation that's been going on. And that's why Spirit is saying patience is still needed. It's still going to take some time. But like I always tell you guys, yeah, I don't care. When that worth waiting for card comes out, yes, patience is still needed for that person. But you need to still live your life. Don't ever wait for anybody. You keep it moving. And because they have to catch up to where you are. And if they come back to you and you're willing to give them a chance, cool. But if you moved on with your life and you don't want to stop doing what you're doing to, you know, deal with them, then hey, that's your business. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll know what to do, but don't ever wait for this person, you know, to get their stuff together. So let's see. But if you do, that's up to you. But, you know, my advice, keep it moving. All right, because you don't know how long it's going to take. Okay, so let's jump in and see what's going on. Alright, y'all bear with me. Hopefully my voice doesn't go in and out, because I feel way better than I did last month, but that bronchitis, you know, it takes a second to get away. Hell, I pulled cards and it said 3 to 5 weeks, and I'm like, so, it's still lingering, so just, yeah, I apologize, you know, for clearing my voice and stuff, but whatever. Alright, let's take a look here. Spirit, what messages do you have for my Cancers? Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the Ten of Swords. See what I'm saying? This person that messed up, I'm telling you, they want to come back to fix things, but they stabbed you in the back. That's why they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but this person knows that changes have to be made. Tell me more. But they're frustrated because maybe they're feeling stuck. Clarify the Eight of Swords. This person is feeling stuck in a situation, or they're stuck because it's like they're not opening up, they're not speaking their truth. They want to take a leap towards you, and I feel like they're getting advice from someone to figure out how to make this right. Because this person was confused in the past, but they're not anymore. And so they're taking their time to come towards you. Because they have to remove themselves from some type of third-party situation. See, there's 2 threes. I'm telling y'all, there's a third party here. And, sorry, I thought I got a cough, so that's why I keep pausing. But, there was a third party. And it's like, in order for things to work between the two of you, they know they have to get away from this individual or this situation. And y'all know third party doesn't have to be another man or a woman that they were in a relationship with. It could be family, friends, career, it could be anything. But this person knows that they have to drop this situation if they want to start over and build something solid with you. Because if they don't, they're not going to have a new opportunity to do so. Yep, but see, they want things to improve with you, Cancer. They definitely do. And they know they have to speak their truth to you. Alright? Some of you guys could be dealing with a Pisces. This person caused a lot of conflict between the two of you. Tell me more. But they're holding on to hope that they can win you back. And to be honest with you, whoever, because now I'm feeling like it is another individual. It could be family, friends, or a love interest. But I do feel like this person is speaking their truth to whoever was interfering. And it is causing a lot of arguing going on their end. It's a lot of conflict going on. And that's why it's like they're trying to stay positive. They're trying to stay hopeful that they can, get out of that situation and come towards you. But see, they know your guard is up. And this is why they're undecided about what to do. But see, they're going to make a decision. But they're afraid that if they give you this offer, you're going to reject them. They feel like they're not going to be able to have a family with you. They're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. Because in the past, they had other options. They were entertaining other people, other things. They put other situations, or people in front of you. And so now they're trying to figure out what to do. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but this person wants stability with you. Tell me more. And so right now, they're clearing away obstacles in order to be with you, Cancer. They are. And they're frustrated that they didn't bring balance before in the past. And this is why every time they want to rush in to say something to you, they don't. This is why they're dragging their feet. It's like they know what they want. They're trying to get away from all of these obstacles. These things have been standing in the way. But at the same time, they're just not saying anything to you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This person feels like you don't want a new beginning with them. And they're not confident that they can fix this. But I do feel like they know that they owe you an apology. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. They're afraid to tell you that they want things to improve. They're scared. It's fear here. Tell me more. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer, but I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you. Tell me more. But they're just taking their time. This person isn't saying anything. So they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. Yeah, and they're trying to stay positive because they're trying to manifest something here. But see, they're still stuck in a codependent situation. Could be a relationship, could be a marriage, but whatever it is, they're trying to get out of it. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Clarify the Hierophant reverse, please. Clarify the Hierophant reverse. It's like they see things clearly now. They know they have to cut off certain people, certain situations in order for them to move forward with you. They know this. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. This person definitely wants to have a new beginning with you, Cancer. Yep. And they're trying to have the strength to come towards you to let you know what it is that they want. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, this person is coming back to give you a secure offer. I feel like this person is like a boss. Like, they're not broke. I'm going to tell you that now. Somebody that you deal, whoever this is, they ain't broke, okay? Because, I'm a Libra. I know I'm doing Cancer, but we don't do broke, okay? I know y'all don't do broke, okay? But they don't, they got money. So, listen. And they want to give you the offer that you deserve because remember when I said that there's been like this third party? They could have been giving financially or helping someone else out. And that could be why they know that you're looking at them like you left me hanging. You left me out in the cold. Could be dealing with the earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person wants to come back to balance things out with you. See what I'm saying? Look at, y'all, this is like marriage. I'm telling you, this person wants to be with you. So the thing is, Cancer, you're coming off as the Queen of Pentacles, but you see she's reversed. This is telling me that whoever did you wrong, they're feeling like if they come back to give you this offer, telling you that they want to balance things out with you, they feel like you're not going to want to give them another chance. You're not putting any more time, effort, or energy into this situation. Like, you're done. That's how they're feeling. But you two are not on the same page because it's like before it was reversed. You were trying to give them the offer. You were trying to work things out with them. You were trying to go above and beyond, like you had to prove something to this person, while they basically gave you their behinds to kiss, is what I'm seeing here. Now, it's reversed. Now, here they come wanting to give you this offer, and now you're giving them your behind to kiss, especially if they ain't even saying nothing. So, tell me more. Yeah, this person knows that they have to put in the work to win you back. They know. Y'all are done. Y'all are tired. Like I said, Cancer, this could be for you. Cross-watcher, it could be for you. But I'm telling y'all are done. You see what I'm saying? Y'all are done. This person hurt you. There was a third party. This could have been like a mother interfering, a child's mother, child's father. I'm telling you, there was definitely interference here. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But either which way, this person hurt you, and they know that they hurt you. Look, see what I'm saying? All these people. Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay. They know that they hurt you. This is why they're not talking. But I'm going to... 1, 2, 3, 4 people. You see that? There are 4 different energies here. Remember what I told y'all in the beginning? This person had a lot of options. This could have been like a family member and 2 women, family member and 2 men. Like, it could be anything, but it was just a lot. Like, this person, I feel like they didn't even know what they wanted. They were just playing around. That's why they know that they hurt you to the core. Like, you had to basically bow yourself out. Like, I'm done. I'm not dealing with this. But they left you out in the cold. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But see, this was a lesson. Honestly, Cancer, this was a lesson for you. And this was a lesson for this person here. Your lesson was to stop tolerating the nonsense. Stop trying to prove yourself to someone who kept giving you their behind to kiss. Yes, it's like you guys are very intuitive. You already know that this is your person, but you don't have to put up with this, you know, and that was your lesson. Spirit wanted you to stand up for yourself and put your foot down and set your boundaries. And I feel like you did that. You walked away. You're like, you know what? No, I'm not doing it. This person that messed up, this was their lesson because they were sitting here playing around, juggling, and now they even put themselves into some type of situation. Now they're realizing, like, dang, this other individual, the one that I left out in the cold, is my person. Like, I messed up bad. Because they're sitting in the back, like, just reflecting. They're thinking about everything. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. Let's see. Yeah. Somebody could have taken a financial loss. Remember, I told you that the person that's coming back that wants to win your heart back, they have money. Remember, we don't do broke.